Let's go to the second type of question. So let's see this one now. So how do we deal with this one? So you can see that you are given this statement and also this statement. So whenever that you are given that type, it means that we are drawing a Cartesian plane, a cute Cartesian plane, like that, right? And also we have to solve this as if we are trying to solve the equation, but we must remain with the ratio this side. So that will be 7 sine theta is equals to -4. So our sine of theta becomes -4 over 7, right? So here it is saying sine theta is a negative value, right? So sometimes we find a positive, sometimes a negative, but in this case we found out that sine theta is a negative value, like that. So you check your quadrants. Where is your sine negative? So your sine theta is negative in the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Done. And then you also check this second restriction. They said cos theta is greater than 0, so it's positive. And also check where cos is positive. So cos is positive in the first and fourth quadrant, right? So both of these statements are satisfied in the fourth quadrant. So it means that that's where our solution is. So that's the first step. You identify where your solution will lie. So our solution will be in the fourth quadrant. So I'm just going to draw a cute triangle again. So that's our theta, right? Now we fill these values. We know that sine is equals to y over r. So this our r becomes 7 and our y becomes -4. So r can never be negative, it will always be positive. So now we don't have the value of x. We can find the value of x. We know that our x squared plus our y squared is equals to r squared. Still using Pythagoras, right? So our x squared becomes 7 squared minus -4 squared. Our x squared becomes 33, so root there, right? So it means that our x is plus or minus root of 33. Now we check which quadrant are we talking about. Is the first is this quadrant, this side, right? So our x is positive there, so we can just remove the negative. So now we'll be left with root of 33 as positive, right? So now let's solve what we're given now. They said we must solve 1 minus 49 cos square theta. So our first step, that's 1 minus 49. And look here, what is the value of cos? Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this will be root of 33 all over 7, but all these are being squared. Now we can solve. So this will be 1 minus 49 and then 33 over 49. So our answer becomes 1 minus 33, which is minus 32, like that. And you can move to the last one. They said we must solve for cos theta multiplied by tan of theta. So it is actually nice if we start by changing this. So this becomes cos of theta multiplied by, we say tan theta is sine theta over cos of theta. And now this and that can cancel and we're remaining with sine of theta. And the value of sine theta already we are having is -4 over 7. So this is -4 over 7. And we are done with this second type of trig question. No matter how it comes, this is the same way that you solve it, right? So hopefully when we get to the grade 12 part, I'll also show you how to solve the grade 12 one. But still, the same methods. Nothing is different from grade 11 to grade 12. So now,